Getting a quick run in today, and tomorrow's the rafting trip. Yeah. Alright, so I'm on the way to outdoor rec. About to be on the way to the rafting place though. It's looking kind of crappy out here. I don't know if you can see, but it's raining a little bit. It's not bad, but let's see what happens. That's outdoor rec. They just made us sign a waiver. All right, let's go. This is the rafting bus. Hello, sir. Yeah. Halfway there. So this is where we're rafting. It looks pretty cool out here. It's not too bad. The weather started clearing up a little bit. There's our rafts right over there.
Now you are.
Ready? What's going on?
Oh, we got that's 3.
It's about to be lit.
Bro, I tell you, this thing, it's kind of fun to play with.
Dude,
Hey,
I have to.
put your little crotch thing on.
A lot of bags, dude.
I know, but I don't want to.
What? Yo, what's up?
Yeah. What?
Is it? That's gonna be bad. Look at that! Look at that right there. That's crazy. 1, 2, 1. That's the rocky hit.